Done with my Bake Mac.
The sheriff said that Highway Patrol was given points on this investigation.
Man natin. Oh my gosh. Wow. Tikman na natin. Ito na yung kinuha ko.
That was an entity really trying to get him to stop. And then when he did,
Mainit-init pa. Look.
we did.
Now that we knew all the information we possibly actually
Sobrang creamy.
and then we're alive.
And saucy. Masarap nung sa ibabaw. Nilagyan ko kasi ng cheese sauce sa ibabaw. Yun lang. Kain tayo.